your boy Kevin Downs and I'm bigging up D&D Music Media. Love and blessing the brother. Keep it going. God bless.
About that, so D&D Music Media.
Outside people, you don't know it's your boy RJ. I represent for D&D News Media. You don't know. Baddest media right about now. The baddest vlog in the hottest topic them make you work. You see? Outside guys.
Viewers and subscribers, man, them let out the monkey to blow out. Monkey POX there in Jamaica. Right you know, all my granny are fret. All the goat and the dog are fret right you now. Monkey take over the whole country to blow out. Viewers and subscribers, please like, comment, share and subscribe. So let me read what I go on the loop right here. So the Ministry of Health and Wellness has confirmed the presence of the monkeypox virus locally. Yes man, it's in Jamaica. The individual who has tested positive locally is a male who recently traveled from the United Kingdom. Do you know, sir, over England to come from, you know? Yes, man. He presented a public health facility on July 5th and is now isolated and is close contact. Quarantine after contact tracing was done. Disclosed Health and Wellness Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton at an emergency press conference on Wednesday. So today, viewers and subscribers, monkeypox is a very zoonotic disease that is spread primarily through animals, while persons to person spread in uncommon. It may occur through direct contact with an infected individual. Infection typically result in a number of symptoms including fever, back pain and muscle pain, Jesus, and the formation of jano and skin rash. More than 3,400 confirmed monkeypox cases. One death were reported to the World Health Organization, who as of late June, as of late June, with a majority of them from Europe. The health agency said in an update on June 27, who said since June 17 some 1,310 new cases were reported to the agency, with 8 new countries reporting monkeypox cases. The disease is not yet considered a global health emergency, who said last month, although its Director General, Jano, viewers and subscribers, so here we are going here, so right now, in a St. Lucia, in Africa, the monkeypox are going with itself, Yes, man, right now, I get afraid, viewers and subscribers, because here want me now. That's something there, I see them like COVID, Yes, man, that spread fast, too. The COVID, say, yo, you have to touch somebody, but the monkeypox, you can't just stand up near a person and you catch it, So right all the people them will take a bus, all the people them will take a train, the people them will take all the taxi, all beyond to you. Cause right now the monkeypox are spread hard. Yes man, viewers and subscribers, and we know from them boy come out and say one case, we know say yo, when them say one in all 20, cause you know they love to hide things. So right now, not even a monkey. Yeah man, not even a monkey or a dog or a goat, me no want to see near all my vehicle right now, Yes man. So right now, if granny there at the bus stop and rain a fall, she'll forget wet. Cause right now this monkeypox thing dangerous, But viewers and subscribers, I don't know, we come with the breaking news. So you don't know, share out the video, like, comment, and you don't know. Let me know what you think in the comment section, because right now, the place open up back. Party are going good, church are going good. You understand? Even though we have a high crime rate. You get what I say? So the place kinda alright in a local way. Yeah, although you have people that lose them loved one, all type of arms also going. And then now to blow out monkeypox. Yeah, no, you never see trouble without rain. But viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think. Big up on yourself. Boom bang.
D&D Media. D&D Media. Hot. One more again. Fresh boss again. One more again. Hard luck again. And the fresh boss representing for D&D Media. And the artist. Hot. tet, tet, tet. D&D Media.